Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll tell you the story of the mystery of the vanishing drum. It was the annual cultural festival in the kingdom of Vijayanagara. The palace grounds buzzed with performers, dancers, singers and street magicians. Among the most awaited performances was that of a renowned drummer who played a golden tipped ceremonial drum believed to bring good luck. King Krishnadevaraya had personally requested it to be played at the festival opening. But disaster struck. On the morning of the event, the drum vanished. No gods saw anything, no doors were forced. The entire palace was locked overnight. The king was furious. Someone has stolen the sacred drum. Find the thief at once, he said. The guards searched high and low, but the drums had disappeared without a trace. As expected, the king called for Tenali Rama. Rama, the king said sternly, either my guards are blind or the thief is invisible. Tenali Rama smiled. Neither, Maharaj, but if you allow me full freedom to investigate, I will return your drum and the thief by tomorrow. The king agreed. Rama visited the drum's last known location, a velvet-covered platform in the royal storeroom. No broken locks, no scratches, just one odd thing. A tiny trail of powdered turmeric near the platform. Rama whispered. Someone dropped this while carrying something heavy. He followed the faint trail. It ended near a storeroom filled with props used by festival performers. Rama inspected the room and saw large folded puppets, painted backdrop curtains, wooden boxes and a very large elephant costume. He tapped the headpiece of the costume. Clink! Hollow sound. He smiled. Rama went to the king and said, Maharaj, call for the performance tonight as usual. But tell the drummers they must play with bare hands, no sticks allowed. The king, puzzled, but agreed to his plan. That evening, the festival began. Performers danced and sang. Then came the drum performance, but this time a replacement drum had to be used. Midway through the act, Rama stood and announced, Wait! I want a new act! Let the performers all come on stage in their full costumes, especially the elephant dancer. The court cheered. Two men appeared inside the huge elephant costume, swaying with theatrical grace. Suddenly, Rama shouted, Now remove your costume at once! The crowd gasped. The men inside hesitated, but soldiers rushed forward. When the elephant costume was removed, inside the back hump of the costume, hidden beneath layers of cloth, was the missing drum. The two men fell at the king's feet. Forgive us, Maharaj, we hid it inside the elephant costume because no one ever checks it. We plan to smuggle it out after the festival. Rama explained how the turmeric trail had given them away. The thieves had used turmeric to line the drum for preservation. But a bit spilled as they dragged it into hiding. The king was amazed. Brilliant, Rama! You solved a case with no clues, no witnesses, and no time. Rama grinned. Sometimes, Maharaj, even an invisible thief leaves a trail. So the moral of the story is that every mystery leaves a trace. It takes a sharp mind to follow it. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Share it with your friends or anyone who loves meaningful tales. Stories are better when they're shared. And for more stories like this, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. We'd also love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know what part of the story spoke to you the most. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one with another twist, another tale and another truth. Bye bye, see you very soon.